Ira Epstein with your morning flash update for this Wednesday, and we're now at the 2nd of March, 2022, just getting on to 8:30 a.m. Central Time. So let's go first to what we've got going on today. We had the mortgage market headline recaps, down a little bit on the headline number, down in the purchase index, but I think that'll pick up as we go into spring a little bit. And the refi index, well, that was up just a fraction. A big beat in the private payrolls at 475 gain from 85 versus the 400,000 in the month before. We were only in the threes. The Federal Reserve, well, Fed Chair Powell speaks starting in 30 minutes. The market's going to be glued to it. He's already in the pre-testimony. Remember, he delivers a speech. It is appropriate to go up in interest rates mid-month. That much we know. He didn't say how much. We'll try to glean an idea. I think it's a quarter point. The Federal Reserve is going to update their beige book today at 1 o'clock. The Bank of Canada sets their monetary policy. I don't know of an analyst that didn't say they're going up a quarter point, so we'll see what happens. OPEC meets today to set their April production numbers. Expect another 400,000 barrels that they can't meet. Russia today has said that it's open to another talk now with the Ukraine. Okay with Ukraine is the right way to say it, not the Ukraine. And this is going to be the tactic. They're going to go in, they're going to destroy cities and of all sizes. Then they're going to say, let's talk. And the idea here is to wear you out to the point where you give up. Now, if you're watching the carnage on the TV, it's rather severe. City blocks getting destroyed. What is the purpose of destroying civilian homes? I've yet to figure that one out, but they're doing it, and they're doing it left and right. I believe in the film I'm seeing, unless that's all staged, and I don't believe it is. I don't understand what this is. I feel bad for the Russian people in America because there's prejudice. That's just how America works, and it's going to be nasty. When you're already pouring out vodka in all the bars, throwing out everything, and that's what's going on in Chicago, it's just another question to when it goes. And not everybody's a bad person. You know that, I know that, so tame yourself. It is the government. It's like I've said about Iran. The Iranians aren't the bad people. The government is a bad person. Americans are good. I can relate it to the government. You know what I'm getting at there. So as we look at the markets today, a bit of a rally, but I think it'll be a selling day. You were down hard on a Monday. You often get a Tuesday reversal or an attempt at it. That's what's going on. Wheat was off the limit quite a bit earlier. It's gone back to limit bid, but I'll tell you, corn is starting to show its color, that it's reached the zone in price where maybe selling is going to finally come in. On the energy market, even if you discount $15 a barrel for Russian crude right now, you're unable to give it away in the spot market. And the reason is if you step back and you look at the back months, they're down dramatically in price. The market is anticipating this is, whenever it's going to end, but prices won't stay up at $112 a barrel, almost $114. That is what you're dealing with. But it wreaks havoc with inflation. The European Union, you know how much they depend on oil. It's going to create that. President Biden had a chance last night to really do something with U.S. energy policy. He totally blew it. So in looking at it, I looked at his speech as the chance to be super presidential, and I think he did not do it. I'm behind our president, who isn't. I mean, I'm an American, you're behind the president. But we need to do something with our energy policy. If this isn't the event that should tell you that, you've got to go back. We need the pipelines. We need to change the policy and allow the drilling. Why is it okay that we buy Russian and Saudi oil and OPEC oil, and you think they're any greener than we can be? Something's not right there. So I think you should do something and talk to your congressman or whatever. Dollar a little bit higher here. As you can see, the foreign currency market's waving just sort of like that. Look at the market that you know I'm in love with. I've been telling you I think copper is a $5 commodity. It's hit $4.70 today, one of the highest prices it's recently hit. $4.85 looks to me like the next upside target is on it. Keep your eye on all that. One of the things that I think you have to understand is you're watching TV like I am, and they're talking commodities night and day. We write all through the day, our staff letter upon letter on the futures, the commodities, the options, the spreads, cash markets. What is going on in the whole array of the commodity market? You don't have to go elsewhere for this. These are seasoned pros, guys. We're guys with 3 decades of experience, 4. I'm 5. We've been around the horn. We see what's going on. You might want to take a good look at what it is. You can get, some of our newsletters have recommendations. Others is just the facts laid out for what's going on. If you haven't seen what our hedgers, our cash users, and others see, it's time for you to look at it. Go to our website. We'll give you a free trial so you see what they see. On the far left of the website top, you'll see free offers. Go in there, sign up. I will see you at the end of the day with your market wrap-up. Take care.